Good morning, all. So, yesterday we have seen boxing and unboxing within Java. So, there is a wrapper classes we have. So, those wrapper classes we can convert uh, primitive type to a wrapper class and wrapper class to a primitive type. So, converting a primitive type data type into a wrapper class object, that is boxing, and converted a wrapper class object back into a primitive data type, that is unboxing. So there is a one more concept we have, converting a primitive type into a corresponding wrapper class object automatically, that is unboxing. So that also there. So that is also same like a boxing only. And so here today we have, no, there is a one more concept. We have a typecasting. Okay. So typecasting in Java is the process of converting a variable from one data type to another. So there are two main types of we have typecasting we have. So one is implicit and second one is ex explicit. So one is, so let me remove this all stuff. So one is implicit and second one is explicit. Okay. So these are the typecasting techniques we have. So implicit, coming into implicit. So implicit, a convert a smaller primitive data type to a longer primitive data type. This is done automatically. So by the Java compiler, okay, by using the Java compiler. So, and explicit casting. So, convert a longer primitive type to a smaller primitive type. This is must be explicit done by the programmer, and so it might be a result in data loss. So, why I'm saying this word data loss, I tell you. Okay. So, I show you actually. So, what is the data loss and all? So implicit casting happens when you assign a value of smaller data type to a longer data type. So Java automatically handle this type of casting without the data loss. Okay, explicit and syntax, as there is no risk of data loss. Okay, for this implicit. Okay, example. So let me show you one example we have. So how to do it implicit. So what implicit tells that? So assign a value smaller data type to a longer. Means I am taking here a byte. So byte is smaller, right? So byte b equals to 20 and int a equals to b. A equals to b. See here. So I am taking byte b equals to 20. So this byte I am assigning to this int. So I am taking one more int a variable, right? Now I am assigning. Now system dot out dot println and ends with semicolon. So let me print b value is first. Okay. So the b value is b here. And let me take one more sys out. Okay. So here a value is a. So let me try to run this. So how to run this? So going to our CMD where your path is there. So documents. I have a documents folder in my PC. There is a folder test. So first command javac test dot class. Okay, it's not there. Okay, javac test dot, sorry, java. I given here dot class. So dot Java that file is okay. So next Java test. That's it. See, B value is 20, A value is 20. Printed successfully, right? So these conversion process we can call it as implicit conversion, implicit casting. Okay. So longer data type a large. So smaller to large. Okay. So byte is smaller one and big one int. And next explicit one. So explicit. So if I say explicit, we have a, let me take one example. So the byte value is what? Normally, let me go here, we write it right. So byte value is 1 byte and int value is 4 bytes. So byte is smaller and int is longer. This is the process we did here. Now let me take one double value here. Okay, double value. Double, sorry. So let me take a double. So double D equals to assign some 12.5 or 9. Okay, and with a semicolon. Now this I can convert into int. Okay, this is I equals to the D and with semicolon. Now system dot, so the D value is D and so I value is I. Okay, I value is I. So now let me take this. Okay, let me save this and going to here. So Java C test. See, incompatible types possibly loosely conversion from double to int. So it says incompatible. Now what you have to do, you can forcefully do it. Sorry, not here. You can forcefully do it here. Int. Okay, you can forcefully mention it. Now Java C. So now this time there is no errors we have. Now see here. So I value is 12. But what is the value we given here? So double value 12.9 we given. But if you given here, see here, what happened? Only 12. So the dot 9 is lost, right? So the data loss. So explicit casting is required when you are converting a longer data type, a smaller data type. This can is the data loss. Okay, this can happen data loss because the smaller type may not be able to hold the longer type value accurate. Means so ikkada 12.9 undi, but ikkada int we are trying to convert, so why it is not giving 13. So 12.9, there might be a data loss, right? So that's why. So whenever you doing this explicit type casting, there might be a data loss. Okay. So that is so explicit casting like this it happens. Okay, that's it. So these are the typecasting techniques we have. This is typecasting technique, typecasting technique, and this is implicit typecasting. and this is or this is explicit. Okay, so explicit typecasting. This one very simple typecasting techniques in Java. That's it. Thank you.